have to realize there's two different types of work. There's proactivity and there's reactivity. Proaction is when you're taking action that's moving you forward, that's never been done before. It's not in response to anything. It's a new creation. It's born out of creativity and imagination, and it moves you forward to your goals. Proaction moves you forward to your goals, all right? And reaction is simply responding to people, messages, things that have happened, situations, issues, problems, no matter how big they are, they're all reactions. So if you want to have your life changed, stop spending your time reacting and start proacting. When you proact, you make things happen. You make new things happen. You cannot get to a new position. You cannot get to a new goal in life without proactively taking steps towards that. And so when I realized that I had spent like all my days reacting to things, I said, okay, screw it. I'm just going to spend all my time proacting. And I got on kind of like this path that's a little bit destructive, because if you spend all of your time being proactive, you'll get a ton done. You'll achieve a lot of things. But there's going to be all these messes and like, clutter and like just chaos created on the way towards getting there. And you solve those all by reacting. They're called issues and problems. Okay? But I spent all my time proacting, and I achieved like amazing things in like a few months. I went from broke to multi-millionaire in just a period of a few months. And I had shit go wrong everywhere in between. Like literally, like the story sounds cool, but what happened afterwards was I spent like the next year fixing all the shit that went wrong during that time. And so I literally like had so much chaos and so much mess. I had to hire like 10 people to help me declutter everything. In fact, I actually spent like this last year with my accounting team. We hired 2 full-time accountants. They spent the entire last year doing accounting for like the last 5 years, because we've sold like $20 million. I caused like all this chaos. And so anyways, the point is that they had to account for all that chaos. So if you spend all your time in proactivity, then yes, you will create chaos. But guess what? It's very productive chaos. Guess what? You achieve your goals type of chaos. And guess what? You move your life forward. And yeah, there's a lot to handle during the end. But what I prefer to do is I prefer to spend a little bit too much time on proactive. And then I like to, reach my goals. And then afterwards, respond to all the crap that happened in between. And so that is like my one secret method. If I could give you anything that would change your life, it's live proactively rather than reactively. Stop responding to messages and everything else first. Say, screw all that. Don't even open your inbox. Don't even open your phone until you're done with the 3 most important things you could possibly do in that day.